In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use multi-currency in QuickBooks. If your business works with customers or vendors in different countries, turning on multi-currency can make it much easier to track transactions accurately. It allows QuickBooks to handle different currencies inside your company file, while still keeping your main records tied to your home currency. Before you turn this on, it's important to know that this setting cannot be undone, so make sure you're ready before you save it. To get started, click the gear icon in the top right corner of QuickBooks and select Account and Settings. From there, click the Advanced tab in the left-hand menu. Scroll down until you see the Currency section, then click the pencil icon to edit it. You'll be asked to choose your home currency, which is the main currency your business uses for its accounts and reporting. After that, turn the multi-currency switch on and confirm that you understand this change is permanent. Once that's done, click Save. After multi-currency is enabled, QuickBooks will begin adding currency-related fields throughout the system. You'll notice these fields in transactions, customer and vendor profiles, and other lists. This is how QuickBooks keeps track of which currency applies to each contact and transaction. The next thing you'll want to do is add any foreign currencies you plan to use. Go back to Settings, then Account and Settings, then Advanced, and select Manage Currencies. From there, click Add Currency and choose the one you need from the drop-down list. In some versions, especially demo accounts, this screen may look a little different or may not show the full option set, but the process is the same. Just follow the prompts. QuickBooks can use automatically downloaded exchange rates, or you can enter rates manually if you need more control. Once your currencies are added, you can assign a currency to each customer or vendor when creating their profile. Keep in mind that each customer or vendor can only have one assigned currency. So if you work with the same vendor in more than one currency, you'll need to create separate profiles for that vendor, one for each currency you use. Finally, when you create a transaction such as an invoice, bill, or expense for a foreign customer or vendor, QuickBooks will use the assigned currency and calculate the amount based on the current exchange rate. If needed, you can override the exchange rate directly on that specific transaction form. That's how to set up and use multi-currency in QuickBooks so your international transactions stay organized and accurate.